Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Midnight Velvet Tarot. I'm going to pick out a few channeled messages to see what this reading is going to be about, and then we'll shuffle a few tarot cards from the deck. I want you to take a deep breath before I start. Beautiful. So, this is about somebody who has done wrong to you. Let's pick out one more card before I start the reading. This is about somebody, okay. So, this is about somebody whom you either share a long distance relationship with, या आपके रिलेशनशिप में अभी बहुत ज़्यादा गैप आ गया है, या तो वो डिस्टेंट हो गए हैं कम्युनिकेशन में, या उनका एक्सप्रेशन कम हो गया है, जो वो आपके लिए फील करते हैं वो आपको बता नहीं रहे हैं, या आपका हो सकता है कोई ब्रेकअप हो गया हो, ड्यू टू विच यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फीलिंग एंशियस, ड्यू टू विच यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फीलिंग that something is not going right. My relationship has come to a point where there is no clarity. And maybe this person has also hurt you in some manner. Maybe they've said some harsh words, maybe they've been rude in the past, or they've done something which has made you feel that their behavior towards you was not right, and you need them to apologize to you. You need to forgive them to be able to move ahead in this relationship. Even if you are ready कि ठीक है, अगर ये मेरे पास वापस आ भी जाते हैं तो मैं इनको ले लूंगी, मैं इनको एक्सेप्ट कर लूंगी, मैं चाहती हूँ कि रीयूनियन, या मैं चाहता हूँ कि रीयूनियन हो जाए, बट forgiveness is very important for you in this relationship, and I totally see that forgiveness is coming to you in 21 days. So be ready for some sort of apology, be ready for some sort of acceptance, realization from their side, because it's coming to you in the next 21 days. And this relationship is definitely meant to be. So a lot of you may be thinking whether you should stay, whether you should move on, whether this is meant to be, whether you truly share a genuine relationship with them or not. But this relationship is definitely meant to be. This is a karmic relationship. This is a twin flame relationship where you both have some accounts to settle, but you're also meant to be in this bond. And let's see with tarot, what messages or what energies are we able to get. So whoever this partner of yours is, or whoever this person is who you are sharing a long distance relationship with, or have not been able to communicate for a while, or maybe you're expecting an apology from somebody and you're ready to forgive, I want you to take their name 3 times, or just think about them, just visualize their face once, and I will see what energies I'm able to tap into. Perfect. So what I'm seeing is that whatever this person may have said to you may have happened because they were influenced by a third party. तो जरूरी नहीं है उन्होंने जो भी आपको रूडली बोला है, या जो भी उन्होंने आपको गुस्से में आके, चिढ़ में आके, या मे बी दे वर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड एन एस्केप एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो उनका अपना नजरिया है आपकी तरफ. इट मे नॉट बी देयर ओन परसेप्शन टूवर्ड्स यू और अबाउट यू. This is definitely a bond where a third party intervention is present. कोई तो है उनके आसपास, could be friends, could be cousins, या family में से कोई, who's constantly trying to manipulate your relationship with this person. I am seeing that this third party is ड्रॉइंग अ पिक्चर इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर पार्टनर. एक इस तरीके से पिक्चर को पेंट किया जा रहा है कि आप उसमें गलत लगो, आप उसमें नेगेटिव पर्सन बनो. तो इस चक्कर में आपके पार्टनर को समझ ही में नहीं आ रहा है दैट हु इज राइट, हु इज रॉन्ग. डीप डाउन ही डेफिनेटली knows who you are as a person, or she knows who you are as a person, but they are just not able to understand you. इतना ज्यादा उनके ऊपर मास्क आ गया है. दे आर so blinded by the third party's manipulation, they are so blinded by what the third party has been influencing them with, that they're not able to understand who you are as a person, and this is only creating more issues in your relationship. You are putting in the efforts, you are trying your best to sort things out, to forgive them without even them apologizing to you, yet you have been giving your best to make this happen. But it is not coming out, or it is not reshaping the way you are expecting, and it's only creating more issues. But एट द सेम टाइम, जैसे कि हमने पहले चैनल्ड मैसेजेस में देखा कि स्पिरिट गाइड्स आर टेलिंग मी दैट यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट योर इंट्यूशन, यू नीड टू हैव फेथ इन योर सेल्फ, यू नीड टू सरेंडर कंप्लीटली टू द यूनिवर्स, बिकॉज वाई नॉट? अगर आप अपने रिलेशनशिप में सही थे, अगर आपका इंटेंशन सही था, अगर आप सही तरीके से इस रिलेशनशिप में आए हो, विदाउट चीटिंग, विदाउट holding any wrong intentions for this person, then you need to be prepared, because they will be coming back to you with an apology in the next 21 days. I want you to quickly comment on this reel, type 12 12 or simply just 12 to claim the reading. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share it, and don't forget to subscribe, because I will be coming back with so many more energy readings on a regular basis. Take care until then, and I am already excited about this new change coming into your life, because in the next 21 days, you will be seeing a lot of energetic change in your relationship. Either they are coming with an apology, or they are coming to stay back forever. So, take care, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.